If you would like to grow your screen print business by 5, 6, or maybe even 7 figures without having to compete for those one color specials, those 2 and 3 spot color jobs, you need to set your shop apart from the crowd. And you can do that by taking on those full color jobs that may seem intimidating. Let's face it, learning how to screen print full color images online sucks. Sure, the information is out there, but there's no step-by-step sequence to follow. You have screen print suppliers pitching you expensive equipment.
Give you a cash rebate. There we go. See, no need for AC.
Which you don't really need because you can use what you already have to achieve excellent results. And you can spend what seems like years of time going through YouTube videos just to piece it all together. So the program that I developed, Action Steps, quickly separates your images, walks you through step by step how to fine tune them, and will show you how to take art from the computer to a finished printed product. And for my YouTube subscribers, I have a sale for $99. And this isn't going to be around forever, so be sure to act now. And I want to pass those savings off to you guys because you have subscribed. So click the link below if you're interested in adding another revenue stream, or if you want to learn how to screen print full color images. You'll get help from myself, as well as access to Action Steps members Facebook group, which is a members only private community where you can post your questions. You get priority feedback from myself as well as other members such as yourself that end up joining, and we help each other along the way getting those prints dialed in, so that way you can make your clients happy, earn some money, and grow your business. Be sure to check the link down in the description, and I'll see you inside the course and in the members group. And don't forget, this sale is going away. I get people that email me, hey, do you still have that $99 sale? No. So jump in while you can.